Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video you will learn 5 tips on how to draw realistic art like this. This is really effective for beginners because let's face it, when we see this and try to start drawing it, our very first instinct is fear of how we are going to achieve such a level of realism. Trust me, I still feel the same way even though I've drawn stuff like this just a few months back. Now let's dive into the tips now. Tip 1. Use grids. Now this might seem very basic, but grids have a lot of benefits associated with them. You get the proportion right, that is a given. But what this also enables you to do is to deal with artwork in terms of just boxes. It will definitely be tempting to see quick results, but that will not happen, especially if you choose a very detailed reference like this. Now when you divide the whole picture into boxes, you can tackle the work one box at a time. For instance, check this video of me doing a recent assignment of mine using boxes. Now this is the reference image and it sure as hell will look difficult to replicate at first. It did for me, so yeah. But consider doing one box a day, or if you feel like doing more, then do so. Incremental progress is definitely better than no progress at all, and it will eventually get the work done without tiring you out. Tip 2. Draw big. This really helps if you are planning to do large pieces or those that have lots of details in them. Drawing big also reduces your strain since you have a larger canvas to work on and there won't be any crunching of details into it. Now try and visualize this artwork on the smaller sheet adjacent to it. No wonder it will look the same, no difference there. But the process of doing it becomes tricky as we have a very small canvas to work with. Tip 3. Use minimal material. Check out this piece I did a few years back. At that time, all I was aware was of normal pencils and mechanical pencils, and I was really attached with my mechanical pencil that I've been using for nearly 5 to 6 years. I was so comfortable with it that I didn't need any fancy equipment. What this does require is a bit of practice and patience. And with that, we move on to tip 4. Practice patience and control. Artworks definitely take large chunks of time to be completed, and thus it is critical to have your mind prepare for it. You have to put in the work in order to reap the results. Consider doing a box a day. That really helps you get started, and I still do follow it even if I'm not having any time constraints. For the controlling aspect, this is where you have to learn to control the pressure you apply with a pencil, especially if you are working with a single pencil. Tip 5. Start with easy references. Many times we tend to choose stuff that is beyond our capabilities, and that will surely create a negative impact on us. This can be avoided if you choose a simple yet challenging image to start off with. If you are entirely new to this, then it is definitely recommended to start basic and climb up the difficulty ladder slowly, as finishing small works can instill in you the confidence needed to pursue difficult pieces. Now this is a piece I have done in 2017, nearly 3 to 4 years back, and you can clearly see it has very minimal detail because I was using just a mechanical pencil. And this is the one that I did a few years after that. And now a few months ago I did this. You can very well see the transition that I've made, the progress that has been in the making. All you need is practice, patience and a resilient nature to keep on doing it even though the results don't show. Well, that's it for this video guys, and be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks and have a good day.